Good morning, students. Now I want to explain about this chain isomerism. How many structural isomers are possible for C5H11Cl, that is pentyl chloride? If in case of N-pentane, how many isomers are possible? Already we discussed only 3 in case of that one. But here possible is 8 because this is chlorine substituted. C4H9 bromine structural isomers how many? 4. Isomerism in alkyl group. How we can identify the isomerism in alkyl group? C3H7 they will form the 2. C4H9 they will form the 4. C5H11 there is 8. If you take for example C4H9, this is the C4H9. If you remove the hydrogen from here, then this is from N-butyl. If you remove the hydrogen from Y, then they will form the secondary butyl. This X, this one is same. This is second position, these two are same. That's why XX and YY. Here how many isomers are possible? C5, C4H9, N-butyl and secondary butyl. Here we substitute the chlorine here and also the here. Total how many? How many are possible? C5H. This is the secondary butyl. This is the not. If you take and also this is the butyl. If you take another N, this is N-butyl. For C4H, this is the. If you take the carbon to second position, there is isobutane alkene. Here X is same, but here is Y. If you remove the hydrogen from here, they will form the. This is secondary butyl, not isobutyl. This is the isobutyl, isoalkyl. Because this iso from it came from iso, then it is called as isobutyl or isochlor. If you here, how many? If you remove the hydrogen, they will form the tertiary butyl here. 1, 2, 3, 4. The four possible are in case of N-butane C4H9. Like that, if C5H12 is there, if you remove the hydrogen, then C5H1. Like that, 8 isomers are possible. If you write the N-pentane, this is X is same, this is Y, this is Z. Like that, if you remove the hydrogens from different XX, YY, ZZ, they will form the 3. Next, one more 3, this is methyl group comes to second position, then that is known as the isopentane. Isopentane X, Y, Z, alpha. There are 4 are possible, 1, 2, 3, 4 different hydrogens. If you 2, 2 dimethyl pentane, right, this is only 1 is possible. Total 8 isomers.